Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Printify. So to do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with the store. Click on My Store. After that, all you have to do is click on Apps and search for apps. So let's search for Printify and it will take you to the store. There you go, print on demand. Add this application. Now click on install application. So there you go. Now all you have to do is click on this option that has been added. Now you can log in with your account and then connect Printify with Shopify from here. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.